Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast punching. We'll start by understanding that speed comes from efficient movement, not just brute strength. Focus on your stance and balance, ensuring your feet are shoulder-width apart. Proper footwork is crucial for generating power from the ground up, allowing your entire body to contribute to the punch. Next, let's refine your technique. As you punch, keep your elbows close to your body. This creates a more direct and faster path to your target. Crucially, rotate your hips and shoulders into the punch, transferring energy from your lower body. Remember to snap your hand back immediately after impact, which helps with both speed and defense. Now, let's incorporate some effective speed drills. Try shadow boxing for 3 2-minute rounds, concentrating only on the quickness of your punches. You can also use very light hand weights, perhaps 1 pound each, to add a small amount of resistance, helping your muscles adapt to faster movements. Finish with 10 sets of 10 rapid punches on a heavy bag. Finally, consistency is paramount for developing fast punches. Aim to train at least 3 times per week, dedicating specific time to speed work. Consider recording your practice sessions. Watching yourself can reveal subtle form issues you might miss. Always remember to stay relaxed. Tension slows you down. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.